if you do this with the air, that's wrong. The point is what you do after you breathe in. Hi everyone, my name is Orsi, aka Rocky, and welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. Today I'm going to talk about the right way of breathing, or what is the main issue why people struggle with breathing still. Today I'm going to show you a few ways how to practice the right way of breathing, what is the issue with the breathing, why people struggle with breathing. So let's see. Most of us know that we use the diaphragm for breathing, not the lungs, diaphragm. Most people get there, most people can get there, so they know how to breathe through the diaphragm, or how to use the diaphragm for breathing. That's one thing. But what's happening after that? After that, we have the support. What is the support? Support means that you tighten up your diaphragm, like you breathe in and you tighten up, but you're not tightening like extra dying, because that's also a very big issue. Often they tighten too much, or they breathe too much, but you don't need, because that's not the point. The point is what you do after you breathe in. Okay, so you breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Let's say you breathe in, you tighten up the muscles, the diaphragm. Okay, so for example, what does it feel when you tighten up? It's like when you are on the toilet and pushing, yes, or when you do sit-ups, or ladies, when we are in labor and trying to give birth. Obviously it's not that painful, but it's the same kind of movement, and that's what we need. So we don't need to to die in order to tighten up. You just breathe in and hold it tight, hold it tight, hold it tight. I'm holding tight and I'm talking. Now, and what's happening after you have the support? It's about what is coming out, how it's coming out. Here comes a very, very good example. All right, so, okay, this is your diaphragm, okay? And this is your mouth, okay? This is the problem. When you breathe in, after, if you do this with the air, that's wrong. You cannot release the air like this, because then doesn't matter, you breathe in and you're using the diaphragm, there is no support that's holding the notes. So that's what you need to do. This is the diaphragm, this is your mouth. When you sing, this is how you need to release the air. Okay? This is it. Not this, but slowly. That's the point. If I am using a simple s sound, that would sound exactly like this. And not like this. Okay? That's wrong. Okay? You need to release the air slowly, just like slowly, very slowly. Not pushing it out, slowly letting it out. I'll show you again. This is the wrong one. This is the wrong one. Here comes the right one. All right? Okay. So the other thing we can do is the candle. Let's choose a sound like he, which is very, very good for breathing exercise. This is the wrong one. You can even see how the flame is moving. Here comes the right one. Let's do it with actual sound. Actually, you can feel it so nicely how the diaphragm moves. Obviously, you have to practice, but this is it. So you can practice even with the candle. And when too much, the flame is moving too much, you're releasing the air, way too much air. You're releasing way too much air. So anything with the H, like he, he he, ho ho, ha ha, it's a very, very good exercise for breathing. You can use an actual scale. He, 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 blah 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 blah. Or you can just use simply this. He, 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 he. It's quite tiring, I can admit, but it's a very, very good exercise, and it gives you a lot of training, actually, in good shape for your singing. I mean, it's never about the amount of air you breathe in, it's about the amount of air you breathe out. Okay? If you want to go further with your voice training, you can contact me about one-on-one voice training, online or in person, depending on where you are, or you can find our online digital exercises, digital products on our web shop, on our website as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment, post below the video. I'm happy to help, and thank you for your attention. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.